I hear this myth all the time from people who have never been to a chiropractor before, or the first timer, is that they're worried about adjustments are painful. Now, chiropractic adjustments are typically gentle and very non-invasive. Now, some patients might experience a mild discomfort initially. It's often followed by relief as your body starts to adjust and get used to those adjustments, and most people feel that it's pretty comfortable for them and they actually enjoy getting adjusted. If you're super painful, yes, I'm not gonna lie, adjustments might be a little uncomfortable as you're getting it done because you're in so much pain and you have inflammation, but generally chiropractic adjustments don't hurt. They actually feel pretty good.